Hi guys, what's going on? It's your girl, Lilcutenurse. I'm back. How y'all doing? Y'all like this hair? I did a short, quick review on this hair, but I've been doing so many synthetic wigs and the ones without the lace, I decided not to post the video. If y'all want to see it, let me know. And I'll edit it and get it uploaded. But y'all, I got my BoxyCharm box and my first Ipsy box. Yes, Ipsy. So we're just gonna open them both real quick and see what's up. Anyway, let me tell y'all why I went for this Ipsy box. Let me tell you why. I had left Ipsy a while ago and I was strictly doing Sephora. I have finally in 2019 canceled my Sephora box because they was just getting worse. And then they cut the samples back to like 2, I guess because we're paying $10 for the box. So I'm just over the Sephora box, so I'm good with the BoxyCharm and the Ipsy. So let's start with the BoxyCharm, y'all. This is what we got. Boxy and Chill this month. First thing on this card is a Briogeo Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. I had this before. I think it was another BoxyCharm box. I don't know where I got it. No, I didn't. I got it out of... Oh, I know what it was. See, y'all, I got all these products up here that I want to show you guys. And yeah, this is it. I got it in this box that I bought from Sephora. This is stuff I got lined up that I want to show you guys that I want to use in 2019. It's supposed to be started using in January and I have not yet. But I actually love this stuff. It's good. It makes my hair so soft. I'm going to buy it, but it's a little expensive. Hadn't done it yet, but I'm going to get it. I'm going to get it. And then this is another repeat that I had. This came in a BoxyCharm box. The Luminizing Primer Base. And I just put it over in a drawer. Well, I'm going to put this one because I don't have any use for anything that's going to make my face shiny right now. It's shiny enough on its own. Oh, wait. The Briogeo says it's $12 for the full size. And the, where is it? The Luminous Dewy Skin Face Mask. Oh, wait. We got a face mask too? Y'all, I'm tripping. I am tripping. I don't see the Dr. Jart on here. Wow. Okay, the Briogeo. Then it says Ultra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. This is it. It says it's $20. Here, I'll go ahead. Swatch it. Oh, that's a pretty color. I really want to... I like this orange. I ain't going to do that this time. But that's really pretty. Can you see that? Okay. I'm happy with that. And then I got this Tarte Limited Edition Rainforest of the Sea Highlighting Eyeshadow. I still got the one from last year. I hardly ever use, but this is really pretty. Maybe this will inspire me to use it. Oh, it's just some light colors. Looks like one matte and everything else in here is shimmer. No, I had to do too much. Let me put some on the other side. It's real soft. Okay, I'll play around with this because in 2019, it's going to be June, July before I buy a palette. I committed myself to that. I still got to show y'all that video. I got a whole tub of just eyeshadow palettes that I have never used but ordered. So, and then how much was that Tarte Ring? It was $36. And now I got the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Face Mask. I got 2 of those. Y'all know I would do a bunny talk and a face mask in a minute. So I'll be checking them out. And let me see how much these are. This is Tatcha, so we know they're going to be $24 a mask. So yeah, we're going to be doing these luxury masks here. Masks on camera. I'm going to put them right up here with all the skincare stuff I got to show y'all. And I do not see that Dr. Jart on here at all. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then there's a Star Lux Longwear Eye Pencil right here. And it says it's $19. Oh, it's a pretty black. Well, how can black be pretty? I mean, it's pretty black. That's what I mean. It's dark. How about that? Yeah, I like my milk pencil better. but it's soft enough. Is it black? Intensity. To use a sharper pencil. Oh, it's a twist up. You don't have to sharpen it. That is so weird. I wonder why the Dr. Jart isn't on there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I guess I got lucky and got 6 things. The Lux pencil, the Touch Luminous, the Ofra, the Tarte, and the Briogeo. Okay, well, I feel blessed. I keep getting extra stuff. Okay, I'm not going to ever leave this BoxyCharm as long as I got the money in the account. I'm going to stick with BoxyCharm. Let me hurry up because I got to go to work, y'all. And then we have my Ipsy box. This is my first big Ipsy box. Like I was saying, I went back to Ipsy in November. And I got a, what was it? A MAC lip gloss and Ooh Baby. I was like, what? Ipsy? And then December, I got this Huda Beauty lipstick. And, what is this? Boxy. It's a real pretty go. I was trying to go matte. I just messed that up, didn't I? Because one of my subscribers said, hey girl, told me I look better, you know, with matte lipstick. So I was trying to do that because I kind of like it now. But anyway, Ipsy had been stepping his game up. This is the December bag here. It was real glittery. And it's got 2 Ipsy brushes in it. And I don't know. It's got a nude eyeshadow. So anyway, I was like, okay, I'm going to the Lux, the Ipsy box. So this is why I went to the box. So let's share. And I'm glad I did, y'all. I'm glad I did. The first thing I see in here is, again, it's another repeat, but that's fine. It's a Wonder Beauty mascara. Cool with that. That's what you get when you buy, you know, so much makeup, which this year, 2019, I will not. I'm only going to buy what's necessary because I got more stuff than I will ever use, ever in my lifetime. Even if I give away to my kids a lot, I still have enough. So if it's not complexion stuff, I won't be picking it up, really, especially palettes. Y'all will see when I do that video. This is the card. Happy New Year, Ipster. So the Wonder Beauty was $24. And then I have a Vasanati. Woo! Almost dropped it. A Vasanati Matte Crush pencil in berry. So this is a lip pencil. Oh wow! It comes with a sharpener. Look at that. Okay. And it's one of those fat pencils. I'm going to be looking a hot mess. Yeah, I shouldn't have did that. It's a burgundy. Let's see it right here. I'll make it bigger so y'all can see it. Oh, it's real creamy. I never heard of this brand, but I like the way this pencil feels. Vasanati. Okay. I like that. I like that. I don't know. I think I like this box better than this month's Boxy. And then I got an Ico pencil. You're amazing is what it says on the box. And it's just a black magic liquid liner. Felt tip. Ooh, real fine, smooth line. Okay. How many items are there? Oh, I stopped telling you the prices, huh? That lipstick was, let me open it the right way. The lipstick was $23 value. And the liner is $22. I'm liking this Ipsy box. I'm really liking it. The next thing I see in here is Good Morning Honey Silk Facial Serum. This serum was $45. Hey Honey. What is this? Hey Honey, good morning. So I guess the company is Hey Honey. It has glycerin, jojoba seed oil, amino acids work together to help plump fine lines. Hey Honey extracts helps to brighten skin. This is what it looks like. So I will put this over here with my collection of stuff that I'm going to start using. I said the month of January, so I guess February. I got so much stuff, so many facial products that I was trying to use up that I haven't even got started on this stuff that I strictly ordered to start in January. That's sad. Okay, the next thing I see in here is Murad Age Control. Did you hear me say Murad? Age Control Skin Perfecting Lotion. What? Age Control Skin Perfecting Lotion. Oil-free hydration for blemish-prone skin. And this Murad retails for $40. This is it. Okay, see, my skincare is piling up. No, I'm sorry. I'm Rouge for Sephora to 2020. So, I'll probably be losing that because I won't be picking up a lot from Sephora this year. Skin Perfecting Lotion, Fluid and Hydrate. Okay, this is a moisturizer, which I'm going to just have to add it to this little bucket over here. And that moisturizer was $40. And the last thing, this box is bomb, y'all. This Ipsy box is the freaking bomb. And the next thing I see in here is the Violet Boss Mini HG eyeshadow palette, and it retails for $18. This is what it looks like. Let's take it out of the box. And this box was $27. $27. Fun sized eyeshadow. This is the packaging. And these has a small mirror, and those are the shadows. That's pretty. That is really pretty. I have to go ahead and say this month's Ipsy box is my favorite. I never thought anything could beat BoxyCharm, but Ipsy, y'all did this. This is simply freaking amazing. I love everything in this box. So, okay guys, yeah, I gotta go. I would sit here and keep talking to y'all and carrying on, but I gotta go to work, and I'll get this video up when I get home tonight. I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you guys want me to do the, continue to do the Ipsy boxes and the BoxyCharm boxes together, let me know. If you want me to do them separate, I'll do them separate. I don't know if I did my BoxyCharm box last month. Anyway, I put all the information in the box below for this Ipsy box because it's bomb, and y'all need to check it out. I don't know if there was a wait, but it was 2 months after I signed back up. November, December, and then I got the box in January. So yeah, y'all stay blessed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget to let me know in the comments if y'all want me to put the video up about this hair. All right, y'all stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.